juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
Hey everyone, welcome back to today's channel. So today we are making Creole fried rice. This is my version. I know there's many versions that's out there, but this is my version of how I make Creole fried rice, and I wanted to share it with you. So without further ado, here's what my table looks like. So over here we have some soy sauce that we'll be using. We also have some sesame seed oil. I have some parsley, some chopped up green onions, or scallions, whichever you call it, some eggs. I do have some fresh garlic here that I've already stripped and cleaned, a piece of ginger, some corn. I have some carrots that I'm going to shred, rice that has been already cooked, and we'll reuse the rice, and then also some shrimp. The shrimp I've already done. If you want to look at the previous part of this, basically this has been sitting for at least a good 15-20 minutes, and it's been sauteed with some Creole seasoning and all that stuff that's already on the shrimp, along with some starch. The starch gives it that crispy feeling to it. All right, so the first thing I want to do, I want to come down, and we're gonna just go ahead and get the carrots to grater. So basically, let me remove these eggs real quick because these will start to run away from the table. Chicken doesn't like to be on top of the table, if you know what I mean. All right, bad joke. All right, so here we go. Just gonna go ahead and get my carrot in. And basically, with the carrot, it's already cleaned up and everything. You just want to get enough that you can use for your dish, right? So I like to use this side of the carrot. You can also buy the carrot already chopped up and everything, but on this channel I like to use everything that's fresh, apart from the corn. Obviously, you know, I didn't get fresh corn. That's come from the can. But if I can find it fresh, I will try to go for fresh first. Go for fresh first. That's a good motto. And we'll use it. So I think this is a good amount of carrot. There you go. That I could use. I'll probably just go ahead and add some more. All right, so this should be good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and keep this so I can reuse it. So now I'm gonna work on the ginger and the garlic. So I have a food processor that I will be using. Chop up the ginger and the garlic into minces if you choose to, and then you use it. But sometimes I like to use the food processor because it gets deep in there, and it does a good job. So I don't really have to try to chop it up myself. So with this, I just wanted to get it minced up and nice. You can smell it already. It smells so great. This is the first thing that I will put inside of the pot to actually get it nice and fresh. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on the shrimp and get the shrimp ready. And then after the shrimp is ready, we will work on the eggs and then work our way all the way through until we get our fried rice going. After it's seasoned, I put them in. All right, so the shrimps are in, and we are going to let these pre-cook about 75%, because once you add it to the rice again, it's gonna be added heat. You don't want your shrimp to be overcooked. Okay, so like I said before, I don't let these cook too much, so it is time for us to turn these over.
In my head like I've seen it, a life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away like a card never change.
Alright, so now we are going to work on the egg.
Never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. And I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Going to go ahead and add the garlic and the ginger that was chopped up earlier.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
The rice is done. Oh man, you can smell this from anywhere you are in this house. So let's go ahead and try this. See how this is. This is good. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell. And please, I'm about to go tear this up. Bon appetit.